Hello, I'm Claudia, and I'm gonna record my first assignment for the Java class. First, we have right here in our notepad, it was assigned to create a class I called task1, where I define my method, typing public static void main string, where I'm going to create the first statement, the system out print lane, where I'm going to print the hello, my name is Claudia statement. For that, I save it as a task1 .java, where it's located in the folder Java program that I created previously inside the local disk. So I have it right here. Then I open the command prompt that you can see here. Open one more time. And I'm gonna call for the path that's gonna be for this file, Java. I'm gonna copy, Control V, close. And once we have it, we're gonna compile. File. That is task1.java. And at the end, we're gonna run the file. Java task1. And it should be the same in our command prompt. Hello, my name is Claudia. How this class will have this method and print the line. For the second part of the project, we will create a Java project called assignment. All right, and then I will create my first package called assignment1. And then the class that will call task1 with my first method right here. That will be my class. I will add these comments. So I'm defining that will be my class. And I'm defining this as my method. Okay. And then I'm going to use the system print line, where I'm going to add hello, my name is Claudia. All right. Semicolon, and this will be my statement. Perfect. All right. So we're gonna run this program. Okay, And this will compile. And it shows the message, "Hello, my name is Claudia. Thank you."